Selena has spoken many times about the physical and mental challenges of lupus, including the weight gain caused by steroid treatments. On Friday night, October 20th, October 11th, Selena Gomez attended the premiere of the movie Emilia Perez in London wearing a stunning red shirt by Oscar Della Renta. The boat neck and sleeveless shirt was adorned with a large bow at the waist and was a different style compared to her recent red carpet choices. Selena Gomez has appeared several times in recent months wearing halter neck shirts at various events. These choices may be related to the challenges she has faced due to lupus. Lupus is an autoimmune disease that causes weight changes and skin complications. Selena has also talked many times about the physical and mental challenges caused by this disease, including weight gain due to steroid treatments. Neck collar usually draws attention to the upper body and exposes other parts of the body less. This smart choice helps him feel more comfortable and confident in the face of media pressure. Boat neck was also one of Selena's most frequent choices in 2024. He is at the film festival. In May, Ken chose a black shirt from Yves Saint Laurent with a boat neck. It had white pleats and was a combination of classic and modern style. Also at the annual mental health event of her makeup brand, Rare Beauty, she wore a milky-colored shirt with a large ruffled boat neck that accentuated her upper body and gave her a distinct style. These choices reflect his attention to detail and the combination of comfort and fashion.